Back again with another Webtoon artist Rambles moment. Today, Rambles videos. Today we are going to be talking about a little bit more about Clip Studio Paint and the 3D file format that you can actually import into Clip Studio Paint, and then how you go about importing those 3D files. As a Webtoon artist, I download a lot of 3D files. I mean, from Clip Studio Paint's own asset library, and then also from online, like across the webs. I already talked about a couple of my favorite websites that I go to. So 3D assets are great. They make life easier for me. It's a great tool that I love using to do backgrounds, to cut down on time, so on and so forth. We will not go into the ramblings of that today. I'm going to focus. So, what file formats can you import into What file formats look at me trying to be professional, can you import into Clip Studio Paint? I'm going to list off these files. It's going to sound weird because I don't know what half of these files are. You know, I'm gonna draw it so that you guys aren't just staring at like a blank screen. I'm gonna be a teacher. Okay, there we go. So, one of the files is there goes my phone, BX. FBX file. Don't know what that is. Next file is CKT. C6KT. I can talk, guys. You can trust what I'm saying. This is also in the manual of Clip Studio Paint as well online. The next one is the CKH. Don't know what that is. The LWO file format. The LWS. I've seen that. Don't know where it's from though. And then of course the OBJ. This right here. I love this one. I love the OBJs. I'm used to it. It's nice. It's simple. I believe it's compact. I might be wrong, but the file sizes have been small for me, and I love it. We love that. This is the one that I'm going to be looking for. This is what usually I look for. Let's go ahead and start looking for that. So, I'm going to answer my next question because I'm going to stay focused. How do you import 3D materials? There are a couple ways you can do it. You can either go to File, Import, and then 3D data right there. You click that, and then you go to your, wherever you go. Don't look at my file stuff. And then you can find the file that you want. Oops. And let's see if it imports. Give it a second. Give her a second. Her stinking. Okay, it imported. Let me move this away. So this is the file that I actually downloaded off of CG Trader. They have a bunch of other ones with those free websites where you can with those websites that say you can download certain things. It also adheres to the whole camera dynamic thing that I mentioned in my other video when you're not adheres to it because it's not zooming in, but it turns. Let me focus. As I was saying, with CG Trader, they have it to where you can download a certain amount of backgrounds for free, and then afterwards you have to either wait or you have to pay or whichever. I didn't really look too deep into it. It's a great website to find free assets, and that's all I need. I just need free assets. So this is the OBJ file. I don't know much about 3D backgrounds and their file format and whatnot, but I do know that I'm able to move it around, the shadows around. I am able to export it, convert it to, right here. I'm able to turn it into a line art. I usually click my vector layer because I like to be able to expand and shrink down without losing quality. Let me focus. So I'm able to extract it in my usual black and white file if I'm doing a black and white comic, if I'm doing a typical comic page, but we're doing visual novel, wow. We are doing Webtoon stuff, so I'm going to keep it as a vector. I'm going to take off the tone work because I just want lines, because I want to just color in my 3D models, so, which is another reason why I love OBJ. Not sure if you can do that with other formats. I am more so not well versed, but I have a little knowledge. Me and OBJ have been talking for a while. That sounds like an actual person. Me and the OBJ files, we have experience with each other. I'll put it like that. And as you can see, it just exports it in its own little folder. Boom, 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 boom. It's awesome. And then that way you can just go get your layers set up and just start coloring away. That looks ugly, but you get what I'm saying. You get the gist of what I'm saying. Let me, ooh, look at me getting distracted. What'd that do? That does a whole layer. Oh, there we go. So you can just fill everything in. It's really cool. I love it. Vector tools, vector layers, all that jazz. It's awesome. What was I saying though? So that's how you import 3D models. So if you want to know where I go to find my 3D models, some of my 3D models, you can watch my other video. I will try to remember to link it up below or down below, or just Sharing, when you're editing this, please add the link when you upload. If not, I do have it on my YouTube page, or I might blog about this on my website. Who knows? It might be a good topic to talk about, blog about. Either way, I hope this helped. I hope you guys learned something, or at least found this entertaining, to say the least, because, you know, I'm a rambler. Anyways, there goes my phone again. I gotta go. I will be back again with another video later on. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to read my comic on my website if you want to, you know, read a funny, petty story about, like, cliche fake marriage tropes and whatnot. That's a terrible way to pitch my story, but I don't know how to do this kind of stuff. I'm just pitching it anyways. If you want to read that, it's called Catch Me, Fight Me, Love Me, and you can read it on my website at s-morishitastudio.com. Thank you again so much, you guys. I'll talk to you again later. Bye-bye.